Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present to you the release notes of Boyum IT's Beas Manufacturing 2021.05. We're going to start out with the highlights and then outline the new features and improvements of the fresh release. Stay with me and get familiar with all that the new release has to offer. These are the most important areas improved or added in this version. In MRP, APS, and other list views, now we provide editable date fields with drop-downs. We improved the work order refresh and time receipt functions and added import to the operation catalog in the Data Integration Hub. In WMS integration, we have enabled SSCC for normal items in various web apps, added bin code, production line, and quality status support in different functions. Up to now, in editable date fields, it was possible to open the calendar with a right mouse click. Now a drop-down icon is also available in all editable date fields. You can open the calendar with a right click and with a click on this icon. This is related to all list views, for example MRP, view, or APS. All the important changes performed in the work order refresh function that we improved in our previous version are now recorded in the changelog. We have added a new import table in Data Integration Hub to import the operation catalog. A new Excel template is also created to be able to fill all required fields in a quick and easy way. This new template is located together with all previous template files in the relevant Beas software folder. You can find the list of importable fields in the source target link window. Our integration with Protomax WMS includes several improvements in this release. These are the details. Several web apps have been improved to support WMS LUID SSCC fields. For normal items, the bin location selector can be used to select the right LUID SSCC. Depending on the app, more than one logistic unit ID can be selected using the new three-dot icon after the location and first logistic unit ID has been selected. The updated apps are as follows. When a work order is created from the MRP, in case of a bin-managed warehouse, the system displays the bin location field. If a bin location is defined in a warehouse rule, Beas inserts the defined bin code. If the warehouse is a WMS-managed warehouse, Beas also displays a WMS production line. Here you can choose the production line which the system can use for the work order. Now Beas supports issue documents for different quality statuses defined in Protomax WMS. In the previous versions, only the default quality status defined in the Organization Structure Production tab was allowed to generate issue documents. But from this version on, you can define quality status directly from the Quality Status tab and by enabling the Can Be Used for Production flag. The web apps where the information is filtered by the correct WMS quality status are the following. Beas now displays further information coming from WMS. The new column, Wave, has been added to the pick list for production Beas window. From Beas Manufacturing 2021.03.02 and Protomax WMS 2021.03.02 on, we will be publishing a complete information package of Beas WMS integration. This documentation will be updated upon each software release of the two products. This concludes our video on the new features, existing feature and system improvements and fixes of Boyum IT's Beas Manufacturing 2021.05. We encourage you to upgrade to this latest version of our solution and to keep in touch concerning any questions you might have. Please visit our community on the link below and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.